In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom code in Webflow. Whether you're looking to enhance your website's functionality or introduce unique design elements, this guide will help you navigate the process effortlessly. To begin, open Webflow and head over to your workspace. You'll want to add a new element, so start by clicking on the Add Elements button. From here, a panel will appear, offering a variety of options to enrich your site. As you scroll down, keep an eye out for Code Embed. This tool allows you to directly input code within your Webflow project, an essential feature for those customizations you may have in mind. However, it's important to note that access to this feature requires a Pro Plan subscription in Webflow, so be sure you're subscribed to the appropriate plan before proceeding. Now, let's talk about another similar option you might come across, the code block. While the specifics between code embed and code block aren't entirely clear, the latter does provide another avenue to introduce your code into your project. You'll find it similarly under Add Elements. Simply scroll down, find Code Block, click on it, and you'll be able to insert your code just like with Code Embed. Should neither of these options fit your needs, there is an alternative method. Start by clicking the three horizontal lines, usually located at the top of the Webflow interface. This will open up a menu where you should select Dashboard. Occasionally, this step could take a bit longer, so a little patience here goes a long way. Once you're in the dashboard, pinpoint your site and click on Site Settings. This is where you'll delve deeper into customizing your website. On the left-hand side of your screen, search for Custom Code. Clicking on this will guide you to a section labeled Head Code. This is a critical spot as it's designed to handle custom code that impacts every page of your website. Here, you can input your code and it will be integrated naturally across your site's head sections. Remember, similar to the Code Embed feature, accessing the Custom Code section also necessitates an upgraded plan in Webflow. These methods collectively provide a powerful toolkit to incorporate custom code into your Webflow projects. By understanding these steps and knowing where and how to apply your code, you can significantly broaden the creative possibilities for your website development. So, dive into your project with confidence, knowing you're equipped with the knowledge to make these adjustments smoothly and effectively.